Kasi these drones are capable of night flying. Yung ibang drones, paggabi hindi na pinapalipad eh. Ito because of our infrared vision at sobrang lakas ng power ng ating camera neto. You could see sobrang layo neto. And yet, kaya niyang i-monitor from afar. So that's 71 meters. Malayo-layo ang 71 meters. From here, i-zoom in niya. So makikita niya kung ano yung activities. If there's something suspicious, you could easily monitor what is happening. Ito nga oh. Ang ganda ng control tower ng ng QCPD. Okay, next slide please. Oh, there's also one feature na pag meron kang subject, isang pindot mo lang, automatically susundan na ng drone. So, ito na yan. Ang hassle kasi, if you deploy your people, sasalubungin nyo dito, dito, dito. So, in that case, kung meron mong commotion na ganun, nagkakos pa ng traffic yan eh. Nagkakaroon pa ng gulo. So, it's a challenge for us kung paano tayo mag-operate ng suwabe, discreet, tapos efficient yung ating